everyone, this is Matilda. Welcome back to MAXIZM channel. Today I am arriving at our Qingdao warehouse to show you the most wholesale XCMG backhoe wheel loader, the XC870HK. This one is purchased by my customer ready to ship to Qingdao, and it is very easy to transport. Just remove the 4 wheels, then it can be loaded into a 40-foot container, and you can see the rear and the front wheel are different sizes. So it is 2-wheel drive, and if you don't like 2-wheel drive, you could choose 4-wheel drive type. Then the front and rear wheels are same size. XC870HK has integrated chassis, and it is equipped with Tier 3 CUMMINS engine. You can also choose Deutz Dalian or Weichai engine. And you could find that all triggers are H-shaped. And this is also the biggest difference between XC870K and XC870HK. XC870K adopts middle wing-shaped outriggers. This is digging bucket. The capacity is 0.25 cubic meter, and the loading bucket capacity is 1 cubic meter. You could also opt for 4-in-1 bucket, manhole cover planner, snow shower, and forks. Panoramic view, equip air conditioning system, features large space, good sound, and heat insulation. Equipped suspension seats, radio players, storage, cup holders, and cigarette lighter. Thanks for watching. For more information, please feel free to contact me. Thanks. Bye.